What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. And today my people now get a next car vlog. You don't know it's your boy what 416-876 Jamaica, my people, and you don't see the topic I would come to talk about, you know, my people. But right now it's Christmas time and it's winter time outside. If you can see all over outside stay, my people, like it not pretty. You already have a wife, but yeah, you don't remember them old tune, them people. I bet you don't remember them old tune, but right now my people, I jump on the 401 and I got the west side, so I say, you know what, best time that now, you know, for just make a one video for the fans them, for the people them, for the supporters them.
Use the right lane to take the Ontario 401 West ramp.
The people have been supporting the 416 movement, the channel, they don't know so positivity, you know.
In 500 meters,
just
merge
hear me.
onto Ontario 401
Love
West.
hear me talk and thing. Stop the music on the one for now. That, you know, so I want to thank everybody again who have been supporting me for the year. This year, first year, me say me I take YouTube look a bit seriously, you know. So the subscriber them that go up and go up. So people, please just continue to like up the videos them, subscribe into the channel and push the youth. Me that try reach 5,000 for my birthday. My birthday upon Boxing Day, you know, my people. But that's me in about 800 more subscribers. If you really lick it go, so you understand. So if anybody out there who haven't subscribed and like my content and like the videos we put out and stuff, if you can just please kindly just head over to the subscribe button area over there, so man, it'll look for you, you know. You know it'll look for you, but you act like you don't see it. Yeah, you think me I idiot. You act like you don't see the button what me I tell you to press. Just press the button, you know. Just press the button one time and leave it alone. Alright? That is it. But my people, this is the topic and so I'm come to talk about. I'm come to talk about like the safest jobs or business returning residents can occupy while they're in Jamaica. Because remember, you know, more time I did in Jamaica, and sorry for instance. Me say me I go down for like 6 months, so leave the winter around 4 months. I don't want to just go down and name out my savings account. So, me that talk to my stepfather one day and I say, yo Jay, I can't just go to Jamaica in the winter time and nothing and then rent up and bills and this and that come up back for me when we go over yesterday, you know, so we don't know, you know, how that I go work. So I say, that's why I try to build my Airbnb, so when I over there, so money always run no matter what, you understand, my people? So now, that's why I come up with this idea for say, you know what, I come up with a couple few jobs with safe for returning resident to do. Alright, so this is people who's probably going back to Jamaica for 1, 3, 4, 5 months, or people are moving back. So, I'm going to go on the negative about some jobs and why I never tell anybody if you go to Jamaica go do any of these type of jobs or businesses, because of the feedback we get and the problem we come with and the stress of dealing with people face to face and physically. You understand? Me no want to do no job where me have to do face to face with the client or the people them physically, because of some problem lies, or if you have physically angle money with people I see and all of them type of stuff there, you know. So a problem them come in and lie. Alright, so boom now. Some jobs me that never tell somebody for me. It might be different from other people's side, you know. But my side, I never open my bar in Jamaica. Them have enough bar already. 2, the bartender might want to rob you. 3, she might have somebody to set you up for thief your poker box them or your game machine box them. And 4, she probably see you want to thief out the liquor them too. And 5, you feel like you're top of that boss now, so more time you want to go to the bar and sit down and even have your own drink. And people still can come set you up and make you get washed away. You understand? So that's what me I try to say. A bar, no, out of list. 1 treat. Me not even lie about it. Me not joke about it. A bar, no. Or I never open up a bar. Next on the list. This is vice versa, you know, but like a wholesale. Because you don't know man from foreign have them money them can invest on what they want to invest in. Right? But wholesale is a 50-50. Because true, you still have to deal with employees and still have sometimes you still have to deal with the public world, or you still have to say you're the boss and this and that. that's quite kind of a problematic too, because of the people, and people are so ignorant these days and them not trustworthy. So I want to tell a man to leave, or a woman to leave from right here. Look on all the woman we leave from England or America what day, yeah. She have her style downtown and say she go back go sell. Boom, she get flush out, right? Yes, then she probably mix up in a something, or yes, she probably not. But me just show you, oh, the impact is so easy for somebody to just take you away. If them not like you, or you rub them the wrong way, they or just too much people can just have accessibility to you, man. Like that not good. You understand? So that's our next job. Or me that stay far away from in a Jamaica. So let me go up on the good part of it now. Of jobs where me that say, yo, returning residents can do. First one me that say Airbnb. If you have some money or you can buy a property will allow you to do Airbnb in a Jamaica, you're not face to face with no customers ever. Airbnb take care of everything. Simple as that. If you have the money, and can invest in an Airbnb, I would say Airbnb is the first priority for some people, for me right now, right? And it's more easier, more convenient. Me not really have to deal with the public like that. Me not have to deal with nobody like that. You book the place, send somebody to clean up the place. That is it. Me get my money, Airbnb get for them cut. Me pay the workers them who come at the house to clean and stuff like that. Everybody have a good life, everybody go on. You understand? No idiot, no stress. Me not have to argue about where my money there. This and that. No. That's why a lot of people like Airbnb, and a lot of other people like Airbnb, because them not have to worry and stress from them and the person them who you have overseas now if you look after the property. Them never see a money yet from the property unless that tip them get from the people them, one. Or two, them a take undercover bookings when them not booked off on Airbnb and I get a money from the people them. That's about it. But you have camera in your apartment and stuff like that, so you know who's in and who's out at any time. You understand? So that's what I would say. But Airbnb will be the first priority that I would tell any returning resident who have the money that can invest in or build up a place and start rent it out. Buy up a piece of nice land and say, boom, let me try a Airbnb type of stuff. You understand? Second on my list, if somebody out there, because every time me go to Jamaica, I look for a place like this in the Kingston area, closer to the airport where I could have left my car storage. I not see a car storage. And when I say car storage, you know, car storage meaning I buy my car at Jamaica, I don't know if I park my car, I can go park my car, fly, go take a taxi from there, so drive go to the airport and fly way back and come back in, and I know so my car is safe and everything, and them have security around the property and everything like that. If somebody can make one of them business, they better you make money in the money, but you need a place where you can fit all a 100 car or 200 car, even more than that. Because you know some people like, a lot of people want to buy them car, you know, because rent car in Jamaica expensive, you know. I say I go to Jamaica for one, man. If you rent a car right now, the cheapest you rent a car for $7,000 a day. And then remember that adding gas it in all of them stuff there, you know, my people. So if you can buy a car and leave it at Jamaica anytime you're ready to come back to Jamaica, you know, say your car is there, you push out. You understand? And a business like that now, you know. Remember, you know, the only person you have to deal with, you know, when you come drop off your car, you sign up for the monthly fee when me give you. I probably automatically take it out of your bank account, or you have to send it a month time, or I tell you say you have a missed a couple payments or this and that. Your car, you understand? Or you can pay 6 months in advance, and each 6 months you pay, or you can pay, do the yearly package where you get a 15% discount and stuff like that. A great business that if somebody can do that, you know, my people. No joke, you know. And again, you're not really deal with the public for nobody to say, oh, the man, the rich or this and that. You can just sit down in the office by yourself. Somebody bring in them car, you go park the car. You make sure them check over the car, you videotape the car, you make sure the same scratch and everything was on the car. You make sure it's the same thing. And and them leave the car in a lockbox. They have a safe there. You leave the car in a lockbox, so when them come back, them can have them car right away. If them need you, to start them car up for you and stuff like that, and probably drive it around the parking lot, them have to go pay extra for that. You understand? Or you have somebody who will go and maintain the cars and make sure them drive it out in the yard and stuff, because the insurance now dip on the car them like that, because you don't know, right? So that's our next business. Mother advise somebody to start if them can at the end of the day. I'm not telling nobody for go to Jamaica go start a business, okay? But if you can and you're willing, yes. And next one, I said deliveries. Airport pickup and delivery. If you have a nice car, Jamaica, you know, and you just say I got Jamaica, you can get your tourist license and bring around tourists, you know. I remember again, this is just straight from the tourist to you. You promote yourself or you want to promote yourself and do your business. You understand? You do tourism. Bringing people around Jamaica. A lot of YouTubers for think about doing tourism in Jamaica. Get yourself a nice SUV, one of them know of on there, or a Wish, or whatever nice car. Make sure it's always clean and stuff. And you know, say you go do road and pull out. You understand? That is it. Tourism, I think our next one, easiest one too, but again, you have to have a name. That's what I say most of the YouTubers right now. That's what a lot of people doing right now. Them people come to Jamaica, they want somebody with trustworthy and stuff like that. Then call up, alright, give an example. Like the next, I always watch Sunrise Boss, right? That's what Sunrise Boss is doing right now. Tourism type of vibe. You know? Or even one for just the airport pick up and transfer them to the hotel or this, and they still eat a nice food, see and we. Because if 2 people come to Jamaica per day, I charge them all $100 from airport to pick up and boom. That's a $200 US in a year pocket, you know. Per day, you know, so that's about $2,500. $25,000 Jamaican, you charge me call a day, you know. People now see that for more time. You understand? So looking at the job thing that you also, the tourism part of it. And next job thing we made do the wharf delivery, the wharf pickup and stuff also. Yeah man. Because again, person just have to, you know, see you're trustworthy and everything like that. Them send you the information, you probably go with them family or whatever. You have your SUV or your Jeep, go pick up them barrels and boxes or whatever. Drop it to their house. You don't get your PR ready, you just drop off your stuff them, you move on, go your yard. And that is it. Very easy. 1, 2, 3. Remember, you know, you have to pay them, you don't want to pay for your time for go off, go sit down, you know. So you have to look at all of them things there. So this will be more of a full-time job, but not really a full-time job. Because you're only doing it when you're going back to Jamaica. Because I remember, you know, a lot of people, you know, when they leave from over them places in foreign countries like America, Canada, England, or Germany, or whatever, some of them don't want to go back to Jamaica for just sit down, you know. A lot of them don't want to go back to Jamaica for do a local business, and you know, but safety business. And not a lot of safety business now they really in a Jamaica where you can say, yeah. You understand? So safety business, me I talk about my people. So them business that I just recommend on my people, it's in the safer region where I know say yeah, I will do them myself. That's why I tell you for go do them also. But that's each your own. Next other stuff them on could I might do, you know, like I would okay, cause me a video man. Cause me a video director and stuff like that, and photographer. So I would have opened up a video studio in a Jamaica. You don't have to be working there or anything like that, okay? But you just open up a video studio in Jamaica. With this video studio, no, it's an area. Why you don't move from inside of me then, man? Sure. It's an area now. You get a warehouse building, or you buy up a warehouse building in Jamaica, or if you have the money, you can build them up with shipping containers, and you make all 20 different studios area where people can just come shoot their music videos there and leave, or do their photo shoots and leave. You can even make it run of a resort area and put all a pool over there and a nice one bar over there, and you still pay, make people pay $50 $1,000 a day for come in for chill out and bring them people and come vibe out there and all that type of stuff. Yes, man. And you know, so alright then, if I shooting, I go shoot. Shooting policy is for the day $10,000 you can use all any one of the rooms and whatever. You're not rent them the equipment, you're not give them nothing more for broken out thing. Them have to just clean up after themselves, and you still have somebody walk around and clean up the place. You understand? So that if you're in the creative market world and I want to do something like that, again, all these jobs with me I try to limit the access of people to accessing you. You understand? Because that most of the problem me see out there, you know, is too much people have too much access to you. You understand? And I don't want nobody have access to me at Jamaica. I'm not gonna lie about it, because too much people, the more people know you and the more people want to come disrespect you. You understand? If somebody don't know you, them don't really want to disrespect you, but your own people where you talk up to and laugh up with. And them same one will come and disrespect you and harm you. I mean, I want that. Even one of them studio business, like me say in Jamaica, nobody will know say Jay own it or this or that. Because I mean, I want not talk up to nobody and an artist friend. I don't want a friend from nobody. Yeah. Car rental thing, you can't go in at that too, but that again played out right now. You have too much competition in Jamaica. But if you promote yourself to the limit and stuff, you shouldn't have no problem. You shouldn't have any problem with doing car rental. But again, you have to be mindful, because some of these people, they don't take care of your car. A man will drive, say you rent all the car from Kingston and him drive it to Mobile, and then him drive from Mobile to Negril, and from Negril him drive it back to Portland. And from Mace, I know it's a rental car, you know, man. But goddamn, man, some of them people, when them abuse your car. You come back all your tire, them having hole in them rims crack up. Your brakes for them well rub out. A whole heap of cost, and then you have to imagine if somebody got thief your car and you have to install all type of tracker, dead kill switch, a whole heap of stuff going on these car rental stuff, you know. And a lot of times some people feel that it enough, because sometimes it's not, it's just sometimes it no work out for workout, but you still make a money, but you don't make a money. Just call it their way, because the abuse of them abuse some of them people your car from. And you have to make sure you have all upstanding new cars and stuff like that too, you know, man. Me remember rent a car in Jamaica one day, yeah. And yeah, I'm dropping a patrol, and the patrol bust all the car tire. And yeah, tell me say, these people who rent the car from, them didn't even have a spare. People, anytime you rent a car in a Jamaica, you know, make sure say you find the lug nut them, you find the lug nut toolbar. And make sure you know so the jumper, the thing where you wind up the car with, can't remember what it name. Make sure that in your car, and make sure say you have a spare in your car at all times. Because Jamaica no normal, because you cannot drive a car one night and it just pop down. And you not no spare tire, you not no jack it up, and you not no lug tool for pull off a wheel. And you sit down up there in the middle night and this and that, and now nobody if you call because you're a tourist. Don't do it. And people who are rent the car them out too, make sure to have them things in the car for people. God know. Cause that not nice, man. You broke down and you can't even get up to go jack out your own car and stuff like that. No, that not nice. So what's your next business? Restaurant business. Me I say more doing catering. I only to doing restaurant because again you're close to the public. I try to do stuff where you're not close to the public. If you know say you're a chef, you can bake good, you can cook good, you sell seafood good. If you want to interview, you have your own local nice local place at your yard, you know say you know a catering only or reserving only, and people know so them like your food and you can advertise and get people in. Yes, go that way then. See me being a tattoo artist. You understand? If you're good with tattooing and stuff like that, you can go back a yard and still do your tattooing and stuff like that. Private tattoo and stuff like that. Why is these people driving like idiots on the road, man? Wow. And you can do your private tattoos and stuff like that, in-house calls and stuff. Yes, and that's a go on with that. Same with barbering. But me not gonna tell you if you have a barber shop. If you can do a mobile barbering service like what a lot of people are doing in America right now, then yes. Cause again, you know want nobody know what you did. You want to have a clientele, you know, so you have to have 20 people a week. If you shoot them by break, you pan break, you know. And you set up your mobile barbering service stuff, a man call you. Yo, Johnny, you know, so me there. Alright, cool, me gonna pull up upon you. That is it, but you're paying for that service, that mobile service. You understand? And you don't have to pay any rent for no place and nothing like that. Because everything just the inner your vehicle. This is your business. And tattoo artists can do that too. Mobile tattoo service. Yes, your stylist. Same thing. Mobile ear service. Mobile piercing. All of them type of stuff there. So there's a lot of different jobs where you can use your skills and do. And next great one with that set up. But to again, you have to interact with people. But I don't know who you are making in charge of the company. Tools rentals. Like construction tool rental. Or if you can find the bigger money and go into the bobcat them rental. Look at excavator them and look at bobcat and look at dumper truck them. And if you can get a money and set up yourself, you look at mini construction or the demolition company type of vibe. Because you like hard work. I mean that's a go on the way there also. Cause remember you know, it's just rent the money thing. Get your money. The day for bring it back. That is it. You inspect it out. If they broke nothing, them know for pay a fee. This and that. Call it a day. Move on. I will do something like that also. But otherwise from that my people, not a lot of jobs me I really do or advise people to do in Jamaica. Because it's the fact that the fear for me, if I go tell them say yo go deal with the public. And the public if it's a awful thing to deal with in Jamaica, because you never know who I look for who. You never know you have your style or your shop right there so and somebody. You never know. You understand? And me just try to make the returning resident feel. Even people in Jamaica watch this video. This is for everybody, you know. But it was just something for my head. I'm just talk and I just bring up back the topic. You understand my people? So you can drop in the comment section what you think about the list. I know I could add more to the list, but right now I never write down all of them, and these were the top ones on my list that were me that I really want to do in a yard. You understand? And hopefully somebody watch a video and say, you know what the boy they writing, I'm gonna open the business there, you know. Or whatever, you know. You don't know, cause you don't know, sir, 416-876 Jamaica, my people. Yard and abroad, you know. That is it, you know, my people. It's not a lollipop thing, you know, my people. Oh. So I thank everybody again, you know. I say, please, my people, if you like this video, man, just give it a thumbs up, give it a likes, follow the channel, subscribe, send the video out to other people, because I'm saying, people, I now come over here and do the negative videos. So if I that you know what I'm do, me not go do that. Other people, other YouTubers out there who build negative videos around the yard, me not doing it. Me send back people go back abroad. That is it. You can't make them a capture your mind over them place and no more. Like where I eat that and turn us in a puppy show. Invest by your business, them a yard, my people. If you have the money and you know say yo, yeah, or if you're getting older, you know so this you can't manage this cool thing no more. Or you can't manage this environment no more. Save up on money. Try a local business in Jamaica. You understand? And that is it, you know, my people. So that's why everybody just like, share and subscribe. It's your boy 416-876 Jamaica. You know what? Your boy is out. Thanks again to everybody. Just like up, like up, like up.